Now we are going to see how to grind turmeric in this Innomix Surya. You take the small jar, take some turmeric, make sure again the pieces are not too big. Any mixie, when you are using too big pieces, it can jam up the blade. So make sure the pieces are small pieces. I used just a mortar and pestle to make it into smaller pieces, and then you put it in the mixie. Make sure the gasket is on the lid. Close the lid. Make sure this wire cord is connected. Put the jar. Click it. Just pulse it. The reason we are just pulsing it instead of going continuous grinding is turmeric is really hard. You don't want it to go and hit the lid all the time. So when you pulse it, it breaks into finer pieces. Then we can go into the continuous operation. And also it lets you know if the pieces are too big when you use the pulse. Because if it's too big, it cannot get, the blade cannot move, the motor will be moving, it can damage the coupler underneath. To avoid all those problems, if you are not sure if the size is too big or not, just use the pulse. See, from the sound you can hear if it's ready for the continuous speed or not. Still I hear the bigger pieces, so you can see the difference in the sound as it breaks down. Now, you can also look at it to confirm. Most of the pieces are small. Again, use your ears to see when to stop, when to check, when to use pulse. So, if you look at it, it has ground most of the pieces. Now, there is a little bit piece. I just want to show you how to check with the the sound and the sight. They coordinate. So, you just put it for 30 more seconds. It should be done. So, lock it in place. Now you didn't hear any bigger pieces moving. That means it's done. And look at that. How fine it is. It's much better than the store bought because we don't know what goes in. But here you get the pure turmeric, less than 2 minutes. You eat healthy, you eat all natural.